Do your towels still smell bad even after washing them? It's not your detergent. It's these 5 hidden mistakes people don't even realize they're making. Here's the truth. Towels are bacteria magnets. They're thick, they hold moisture, and when they don't dry fast enough, they become the perfect breeding ground for mildew. That's why your bathroom still smells sour even if everything's clean. By the end of this video, you'll know how to stop the stink for good. Mistake number 1, overloading your washer. You throw 10 towels in at once to save time. The problem? They don't have room to move. Instead of rinsing clean, dirt and soap get stuck in the fibers. It's like cramming 10 sponges into a sink and trying to wash them all at one time. Water can't reach everything. Here's a simple fix. Wash 4 to 6 towels max. Give them space so the washer can flush dirt out. They'll actually come out cleaner and smell fresher. How many towels do you usually wash at one time? Comment your number, no judgment here. Mistake number 2, using way too much detergent. Think extra soap means extra clean? It's the opposite. Detergent leaves residue that traps moisture, which is exactly where bacteria needs to grow. If your towels feel stiff or slimy, that's detergent buildup. Here's the fix. Use half the amount you think that you'll need. Modern washers are very efficient. A little goes a long ways. Mistake number 3, using cold wash only. Cold water saves energy, but it doesn't kill odor-causing bacteria. That's why towels smell fresh one day and then sour the next. Have you ever had towels that smelled fine until you got them damp? That's bacteria that survived your cold cycle. Here's the fix. Once a month, wash your towels in a hot cycle with 1 cup of vinegar. It breaks down residue and resets them back to fresh. Mistake number 4, fabric softener. Fabric softener makes your towels fluffy at first, but it's basically wax coating the fibers. That coating locks in odor and makes towels less absorbent. That's why a soft towel sometimes won't dry you off properly. Here's the fix, skip softener. Use baking soda in the washer machine instead. It softens naturally without clogging the fibers. If you've been using fabric softener on your towels, comment guilty. I want to see how many of us have done this one. Mistake 5, leaving towels in the washer. This one ruins towels more than anything else. Leave them sitting damp even for a couple of hours and bacteria starts multiplying. It's why your whole laundry room can smell sour. Here's the fix. Move your towels right away to the dryer. Use the highest heat safe for fabric. Heat kills what washer machines can't. Don't click away yet. If your towels already smell, this is the game changer that can rescue them. Bonus tip, rescue musty towels. If your towels already stink, here's the rescue routine. Wash with 1 cup of vinegar with no detergent. Wash again with half a cup of baking soda. Dry completely on high heat. This strips out buildup, kills odor, and resets your towels back to neutral. It's the same process professionals use to restore fabrics that are beyond saving. Here's a quick recap. Don't overload, don't overuse detergent, wash hot sometimes, skip softener, don't leave your towels in the washer machine, and if they already smell, vinegar and baking soda can rescue them. Which mistakes do you think you're guilty of? Drop your answers below. And if this video helped you, hit like so more people can fix their towels too. And subscribe for snap clean tips every other week.